Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing part 3 of our 3-part video series featuring Madam Glam for short nails. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So in the beginning of this series, I showed an unboxing of Madam Glam. They had contacted me to try out their products. This is the first time technically the second time since this is a part 3 video that I am using their products. This is Dexter video bombing my my video for you today. And while I'm at it, why don't I mention some of the great things about Madam Glam. They are cruelty-free, which it means they don't test on animals at all. So I think that's a Dexter approved nail polish. They're vegan. They're 21 free formula, which means they do not have 20 of the most toxic chemicals found in other nail polishes, and they care about the environment. So they had asked me to try out their products. I was just super flattered that they had thought of me and thought that my artwork was good enough. So I had put a layer of base coat right over my previous design. I had done a fill-in with dip powder, and then here I'm using Riverwalk. It's a bright white, and it covers so well, you guys, that it's definitely worth considering to get yourself, because I definitely use white as a background frequently. So for me I usually put like 2 coats, and this one is just good enough. So here I'm putting a top coat. This is just for me because I wasn't too sure yet what I was gonna do. Again, I wasn't expecting the shipment to come in so fast, so like in my previous video, the design was pretty much on the fly. So as I'm doing this, I'm like, what the heck am I gonna do with this side? I wanted it to be nice and easy, not too crazy, because I do have viewers that have short nails and they don't like to have, like, as you see, my huge butterfly just flapping around there on the other hand. So I wanted something to be simple but also elegant at the same time, especially to match the other set that I did in the previous video. So I'm putting this under pressure polish on most of the nails, because I'm going to be replicating some of the design on the other side, and I wanted that to show through. So for you guys, if you want to go check out Madam Glam, if you haven't used it before, I don't really do these things, so but I must say that the polishes that I'm using today were surprisingly pretty good. Like I said, the Riverwalk covers so well in one coat, and to be honest, the glitters, especially the hollow, applies very well with just one coat. If you can see that better in the previous video, but I did one coat of the glitters and it goes right onto the nail. It glides right onto the nail. If you have experience with glitters in other either gel or regular nail polish, usually you have to like pat the brush down to get on your nail to get the glitters off the brush. And here I didn't have to do that. I just went straight from the bottle, glided onto my nail, and the glitters went straight on. And as you see, that sticky toffee, it covers pretty well being a glitter. So now if you guys want to check out their products, go to madamglam.com. I have a 30% discount, and the discount code is up here on the screen. It's JOSIEI30_1, and I'll leave a link in the description box below that will automatically apply the 30% discount. And at checkout, if you don't want to become a VIP member, you just have to click on pay as you go. Now, you guys, I can tell you myself that I want more glitters and hollow nail polishes from them, because if they glide on the way that these did here, You know me, I love my bling so much. I'm gonna try to like top my cart off, within my budget and use that 30% to add on just a little bit extra more. So I like that they gave me 30 and it wasn't like normally it's like 15%. And this is such a great deal. I'll tell you guys that when I'm shopping online, I'll do promo code 2022 and try to find promo codes to lower my price so I can always get extra items in my basket. So yeah, definitely take advantage of the 30%. I know I'm going to have to be doing that this weekend if I can get away with it from my husband. All right, back to the design. So what I did for you guys, I copied the design that I did on my thumbnail. If you want to see me do that, it was video 2. But basically I used standard tape. I would use the clear tape, not like the gift wrapping tape. I don't know what else it's called, but it's like a milky color because I found that tape didn't stick on very well. And then I put some more top coat and I'm lining this here with rhinestones just so that I make the lines perfect. I am using my stamping scraping card to make a straight line. So if you are looking for that perfect straight line with rhinestones, especially when you put on a slippery top coat, definitely consider using that stamping scrape pad, or in my case, I'm using my middle school ID. No, I'm not flipping that over. But yeah, so it makes a perfect line. And I didn't get to mention because I was talking about the discount before, but if you do the sharp French with the tape and then gel polish somehow gets under it and it's not a straight line, just use your brush with a little bit of nail cleanser or alcohol. Maybe not alcohol. Let's try nail cleanser or alcohol, whatever. I don't know. I don't like to use alcohol. I have nail cleanser. And you can just wipe off a straight line. So that is also a nice hack if you're trying to make those perfect lines. So we're just going to cure after each nail, make sure we got that formation down pat. I did forget to mention that I had put a larger rhinestone at the tip just to give it that accent that that's the tip, even though you can't, mistakenly not know that's the tip because that is the tip. But anyway, so yesterday in my video, I said that I would tell you guys something that happened that I didn't want to say in the previous video. So they have a 4-week guaranteed shine and it lasts for 4 weeks. So I'm going to test that out. I'm going to try to keep these nails for 4 weeks. I don't know which side yet. I don't know if it's going to be one nail or two, but I'm going to have to fix something because for those of you that may not know, last year I did boxing and this year I'm doing softball, and I totally had to snip off my thumbnail on my other hand. But on this hand, here's the end result. Look how pretty that is. It's so simple and elegant. It matches the other side. I'm loving this look. I'm loving the colors. I am really surprised that these gel polishes went on so nice and smooth and they covered very well at one coat. But there you have it. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again next time when I do my long nails. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for this opportunity. I had so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.